Hey, I'm Credit Score Shield, here to protect your credit vibe.
These Pixar-style 3D animated finance advisor videos are exploding on YouTube right now. This faceless YouTube niche with zero camera and zero editing skills is pulling some of the highest RPMs on YouTube. But here's the scary part. Most people trying this fail, not because AI is hard, but because they don't know how to create 100% consistent characters, write engaging finance scripts, and build scene-by-scene videos that actually hold attention. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact system I'm using. And yes, you can do this for free, even from your mobile phone. Before we start, take a quick look at what this workflow produces.
Hey, I'm Credit Score Shield, here to protect your credit vibe.
Hey, Budget Planner here, and today we're learning why credit scores drop.
Don't focus on the visuals yet. Focus on the consistency, the expressions, the flow of the dialogue. We'll break down exactly how this works. Step by step, starting now. Let's start with ChatGPT. No guessing, no copying random videos. This is completely data-driven. Drop this prompt into ChatGPT and hit send. Within seconds, it gives you finance topics people are already searching for, topics with real earning potential. For this tutorial, I'm choosing credit score. Why did my score drop and how to fix it fast? This worked perfectly for shorts and long-form videos. Now we convert that topic into a conversation-style script. And this part matters because people don't watch lectures. They watch dialogue. Use this prompt template. Just replace the topic placeholder. Hit send. In seconds, ChatGPT gives you a 30 to 45 second finance script written as a natural conversation between two characters. Use the same prompt with a longer duration, and you get long form videos too. Now comes a step most people completely skip. AI video works best scene by scene, not all at once. So I use this prompt to split the script, one dialogue per scene. Instantly, the script becomes 12 clean cinematic scenes. One speaker, one moment, zero confusion. This is the foundation for smooth AI video generation. Now comes the magic part. We need to turn each scene into ready-to-use text-to-video prompts. So we will use this prompt, which defines everything the AI needs: character actions, environment, camera movement, lighting, and synced dialogue. Hit send. And ChatGPT generates professional-grade Pixar-style prompts, scene by scene. These are not generic prompts. They're cinematic, consistent, and optimized for AI video models. Now, let's generate the video. Open Google Flow. If it's your first time, you get 100 free AI credits, more than enough to test this. Click New Project. Make sure VO 3.1 Fast Model is selected. Output count is set to 1 as it saves credits. Choose landscape for long videos. If you want to create YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok video, then choose portrait aspect ratio. And also confirm text to video mode is selected. Now copy the scene 1 prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into VO, hit generate. Within seconds, your first Pixar-style 3D finance clip is ready. Let's preview it.
Hey, I'm Credit Score Shield, here to protect your credit vibe.
Now, pay close attention. This is the part nobody explains properly. This is where most tutorials end. It's where most creators fail. That is character consistency. To keep characters identical across scenes, click Add to Scene. Select your first clip, click the plus icon, choose Extend. Now, paste the Scene 2 prompt, hit Generate.
Hey, Budget Planner here, and today we're learning why.
Because you extended the original scene, VEO automatically keeps. Same characters, same proportions, same style, same identity. Repeat this for every scene. Click on last generated scene, then plus icon, then extend. Copy the prompt for next scene, paste the prompt, generate. That's it. This single technique alone puts you ahead of 90% of creators. Once all scenes are generated, hit download. Your complete Pixar-style 3D finance advisor video is ready. Before we watch the final result, if you've stayed till here, hit like and subscribe for more AI workflows like this. Zapiwala members have exclusive access to all prompts, full workflow, copy-paste templates, and once this video hits 2,000 likes, I'll make everything public. Now let's watch the final result.
Hey, I'm Credit Score Shield, here to protect your credit vibe.
The full video link is in the description. Before moving ahead, Happy New Year 2026 to you. And if you want to create more viral AI character videos, you won't want to miss what's coming next. I'll see you there.